In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a login page in your Wix website. Whether you're looking to give your visitors a seamless way to sign in or want to manage a members only area, I'll guide you through each step to make it happen smoothly. Let's get started. First off, you'll need to log in to your Wix account. Head over to the Wix website at www.wix.com. Once there, click on the Login button at the top right corner of the page. After entering your credentials, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. Here, choose the website where you'd like to add your login page and select it. Now that you're in, it's time to open the Wix editor. From your dashboard, simply click on Edit Site. This will take you directly to the Wix editor, where you can start customizing and making changes to your website. Think of Wix Editor as your creative playground. You can add elements, style them, and really make your site your own. With Wix Editor open, the next crucial step is to add the Wix members area. Look for the plus add button on the left panel, then navigate through members and select Add Members area. Upon doing so, Wix will automatically generate a login page, a sign up page, and a My Account page. These pages are seamlessly integrated into your site, allowing members to register, log in, and manage their account details effortlessly. Once you have your members area set up, it's time to customize the login page to fit your website's look and feel. Click on Menus and Pages found in your Wix editor and select the login page to start editing. Here, you can personalize the design by changing the background colors, fonts, and even adding images or your brand's logo. Tailor the text fields and buttons to match the overall aesthetic of your site. If you wish to control who accesses certain parts of your site, setting login permissions is a step you shouldn't skip. Go over to Settings and then Member Permissions. Here, you can specify which pages require member login. Choose between making pages public or accessible to members only and set different roles and permissions based on the member type. To make sure users can easily find where to log in, you'll need to add a login button visible on your site. Again, go to the plus add section, select button, and then choose login versus sign up button. Place it strategically, perhaps in your header or menu, so it's easy for visitors to spot. Once placed, link it directly to your new